a beautiful day on the island of Sodor. It was summertime on the island of Sodor, and all the engines were working hard. Edward was taking some coal cars to the quarry. Edward stopped to get a drink. Oh, what a rough day! I've been ruining my wheels all day. Yes, said his driver, but we still need to deliver the trucks. The trucks giggled and jiggled at Edward. Ah! Then they started to sing. Edward's no good. Edward's no good. He should be scrapped. He should be scrapped. Oh, shut up, said Edward. He did not like being teased by the troublesome trucks. Oh, said the trucks. We need to meet a venue, laughed the trucks. This made Edward very cross. He was so cross he bumped the trucks. Oh, said the trucks. Edward knew they were being troublesome. He chuffed away down the line. Edward hovered to the siding. Edward left his truck there. He stopped to get his wheels checked. His wheels were damaged by the troublesome trucks. We need to get your wheels fixed, Edward, said his driver. Okay. But who will be delivering my trucks? Oh, don't worry. Spencer will deliver the trucks, said the driver. Okay, said Edward. Spencer had a lovely day. He saw Edward in the steamworks, and he saw the trucks. He was going to deliver the trucks for his best friend. Spencer got coupled up to the trucks. No being troublesome! No being troublesome, said Spencer to the trucks. The trucks had a naughty plan for Spencer. Now, you need to listen to me at all times. Listen, said one of the trucks. I'll bag when I say it, okay? We will get to court until then. Please as hard as you can, okay? Ah! The trucks just laughed. But Spencer ignored them. Come on, said Spencer to the truck. No being troublesome. Spencer was going up Gordon's Hill. Then there was trouble. On, left the trucks. Help, said Spencer. His driver tried to turn my brakes, but Spencer couldn't stop. Then he got derailed off of the other side of the edge. His driver jumped clear. Suddenly, Spencer's wheels were damaged. And then there was even more trouble. Spencer's driver in front of him jumped clear before the crash. The trucks just laughed. Wah! 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 Spencer knew he should have listened to Edward. Do you think Spencer was wrong? Do you? The end.